Welcome to Advanced Laser Imaging. This video looks at counter-terrorism, resilience and security, covering the ultimate 3D situational awareness, 3D contingency and operational planning, real-time operational data integration, line-of-sight analysis, and CCTV and sensor mapping. So let's start with the ultimate 3D situational awareness tool. We use a combination of technologies, such as the latest in laser scanning and photogrammetric techniques, to create extremely detailed and incredibly accurate three-dimensional recordings of real environments. This allows us to rapidly capture even large scenes, such as towns and cities, to provide a measurable and immersive virtual version of reality. It is now viable for us to take a highly detailed 3D snapshot of a venue to help brief, prepare, and respond as events unfold. Complex environments, such as shopping centres or office buildings, can be easily understood by navigating through the immersive 3D scene, almost like you are really there, but with even greater freedom of movement. Ports and transport hubs that are constantly in use can also be conveniently recorded, without the need to stop operations. This powerful capability offers security teams, emergency responders, even site managers, unprecedented awareness of their location, with the power to analyze and inspect reliably. In summary, scenes can be rapidly captured. They are fully detailed, accurate environments. Navigate anywhere, measure anything, or travel along predefined routes. You can share this data easily and view datasets of unlimited size. Now let's look at 3D contingency and operational planning. To support contingency plans, it is vital to collect reliable information that can be shared effectively, often under tight time constraints. Information gathered on the externals and also the internals of a location build understanding of the complete environment. Our solutions allow people to clearly and unambiguously comprehend what a scene looks like, by allowing complete freedom of movement within the immersive 3D scene. The flexibility of the data allows impossible views to be explored to further enhance understanding. It also allows the integration of other information, such as evacuation routes or security measures, that can be seen clearly and in context with the overall environment. This all provides the ideal desk training tool to share with your personnel. Using our solutions as a dedicated 3D planning tool. Planning operations can be a complex challenge. Identifying areas of risk and how to mitigate threats requires collaboration between multiple teams. Our accurate 3D environments, combined with mapping and other information, provide an extremely powerful planning tool. You can design where to place temporary CCTV and test its potential field of view without disturbing local residents. You can accurately calculate the number of crowd barriers you require to avoid excessive cost. And you can prepare your deployment strategy of personnel and other assets that will be required to ensure a safe operation. It is also easy to include additional information, such as images or documents, to provide a complete briefing package for your staff and other organisers, ensuring everyone fully understands your plan. And once this has been created, you can use it not just for planning the operation, but as a command and control asset for coordinating the operation whilst it is in progress. This capability dramatically increases the value of your planning efforts, and once the operation completes, can even be used as an effective future training tool. Now let's look at real-time operational data integration. Having accurate, immersive 3D data of your location is extremely powerful, but its power can be enhanced even further by the incorporation of other intelligence data that may be changing in real time. Through our collaborations with leading software providers, we've integrated sources of cyber intelligence directly into the 3D environment. Having specified keywords and parameters that will highlight information of importance, feeds from social media and other open source channels can be geolocated to give immediate awareness of a changing scenario. This form of data analysis is becoming an ever-increasing component of police and security operations. You can even study the relationship of these intelligence sources, because they are also time-stamped, enabling a user to scroll through the operational history to look for patterns or review actions in response to changing events. And this can all be done whilst maintaining their context within the scene. To determine how to react to an incident, you need to be aware of the location of your assets, be those people, vehicles, or equipment, so that you can action an effective response. Using GPS locators or other sensors, it is possible to overlay the positions of your assets into the same three-dimensional environment, creating a complete operational picture. Solutions for line-of-sight analysis. After surveying a location only from street level, it is possible, due to the versatile nature of our accurate 3D data, to assess visibility from any of the overlooking windows where witnesses or suspects are located. An initial appreciation of their field of view can be quickly obtained, but more importantly, it is possible to define the physical limits of vision. In this particular case, it would have been impossible for someone inside that room to have seen a person exit this doorway. Compared with other methods of assessment, this is more explicit, efficient, and requires fewer resources to achieve a result. To achieve a similar analysis for real-time purposes, we've developed bespoke software applications that allow a user to very rapidly determine intervisibility between locations. It considers the geometry of the scene. You can add temporary features if required, and you can change the observer and target positions in horizontal and vertical positions. Finally, let's look at CCTV and sensor mapping. Welcome to a solution we call CCT Verify, a world first in accurate three-dimensional CCTV assessment. We first used the latest in laser imaging technologies to measure the site with millimeter accuracy. Then, using images from any existing CCTV, we can understand the three-dimensional field of view of each camera. We can also assess how effective each camera is at identifying intruders and how they interact with neighboring cameras to cover your site. This enables explicit clarification of vulnerabilities in the existing installation. We can also incorporate other perimeter security sensors, such as infrared motion detectors, to fully appreciate your entire perimeter security solution. This allows us, in combination with your security teams, to design an optimized solution that is more resilient and effective at maintaining the site's security. It becomes easy to identify areas of little or no coverage, and high-risk locations where an intruder can enter your site undetected can be critically addressed. Finally, we produce an interactive report that allows all interested parties to clearly understand the current situation and any proposed changes. To find out more about these and other solutions we offer, please contact us using the information here. Thank you for watching.